COMEUP 2025, the Global Startup Festival here at COEX. Let's go back inside. Next up is this company. Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah.
Show us what this is. Tell us about your company.
We are providing the skincare solution, which is a combined skin diagnosis and analyzing, and also automatic formulating system in a one-stop.
That already sounds good.
Yes, yeah. Actually, trend is of beauty industry is personalized. That's why we are prepare this kind of technology and also distribute this technology to the U.S., Hong Kong, and Turkey already. And now we are expecting to expand our business to the Middle East next year.
Okay, so you're going full force ahead. Now show me what this is.
This is the automatic formulating system. Can you see the robot?
Yes.
The robot can grab the butter and then open the cap automatically and dispensing the ingredient automatically.
Okay.
And then it takes only 3 minutes to get the 30 millimeter cosmetics.
And what kind of cosmetics does it produce?
From the skincare products such as essence and pure lotion and cleansing product, toner and cleansing water, and also not only skincare products, also hair care products, shampoo and treatment can be produced and diagnosis.
Okay, so all kinds of products actually. All right. What is the big advantage of having a robot do this here on the spot?
We can provide highly accurate formulations and also high speed, more than handmade.
Okay.
Yeah. When you install this machine to the skincare shop, while their consumers are having the skin treatment, we formulate the customized cosmetics, and then when they leave, they get the cosmetics. Yeah.
All right. Can you show us what this looks like? So you would
Yeah.
tell it something here?
At first, you need to diagnose your skin at first with this
Okay.
device.
Ah.
Yeah. Based on the diagnosis result, you just scan the recipe in the barcode scanner, and then it start to produce, and it takes only 3 minutes.
Oh.
Yes.
So this is the device that does the analysis.
Yes, there's a camera.
Yeah.
You can see that. So we take a photo of 5 locations of your face,
Okay.
and also you take a short survey to know your lifestyle or genetic things, and then we can make some customized cosmetic recipe. What kind of ingredient you need to add in the cosmetics to improve your skin, and also what kind of texture
All right.
is better for you.
Okay, so you get the survey data and you get your
Yes.
analysis. And then what's the next step?
And then you just scan the recipe into the barcode scanner and move the robot to produce the customized cosmetics.
Okay, that sounds very easy.
Yes, very easy.
Okay, and then how long does it take for the robot to create this?
From the diagnosis and analyzing and final formulation, it takes less than 10 minutes.
That's very fast.
That's
Wow.
why our technology is very famous and popular in the US market and European market and also other Asian market.
Okay, that's great. So you said it's already being used in diverse markets. What is the next step then? What's coming next?
Next step is Middle East.
Oh, the Middle
Yeah,
East.
yeah,
Okay.
because this is cosmetics kind of high-end cosmetics, so it will be very popular in the Middle East
Yes.
with the very high prices.
Right,
yeah.
right. Okay.
And also we already developed a premium lineup, which is high, can give the high performance. And then with this premium lineup, we are going to go to the Middle East.
Right. Also, in terms of products, are you thinking about expanding the product range?
Yes, we are keep developing the new products like the foam cleanser or the toners or other body care products as well.
Okay, so basically, almost all kinds of products will be able to be customized to your customers' needs.
Yes, it is. Especially there's so many demand from Indian market for the
Yes.
color makeup cosmetics. That's why this is under developing now and it's almost done. So we are keep contacting with the Indian market, and also I think we are going to close the contract within next month, I think.
That's amazing because especially color makeup is something that is so individual, right?
Yes.
The shade of your skin, for example.
Yes.
So that's something where a robot could come in so handy.
Yes, it is. That's why a lot of Indian market are contacting us to request to develop the color makeup foundation or tinted
Yes.
other products.
Well, then that's something that we can definitely look forward to. We hope that we'll be able to see that soon. Thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you so much.
And we hope that we'll see you again next year with that robot here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.